Getting a new job, moving to another location, or investing in technology and cryptocurrency are all ways to become wealthy. But becoming wealthy necessitates more than a change in financial habits. It necessitates a change in thinking as well. Hello and welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll go over 15 different ways you can adopt a rich mindset. Let's now get going. Number 1, you must become goal-oriented. Your prospects of achievement are low if you don't set attainable goals. By learning to set reasonable and realistic goals, you're giving yourself a full plan for financial success. Consider the vast majority of our society's wealthy citizens. Did any of them become wealthy overnight? Naturally, having goals will help you become more prosperous. Nevertheless, having goals does not imply actually working to accomplish them. Number 2, learn to invest your money. If you spend every dollar you make and never think about investing, you need to change your whole way of thinking. Millionaires understand that you don't make money by lavishly spending it. Rather, you make money by knowing its true worth and, of course, the importance of investing. Investing is one of the most effective methods to make your money work for you. For example, if you have an extra $500 in your bank account, would you purchase yourself a new iPad, or would you choose to invest in stocks and bonds? To get rich, you need to have a mindset that favors saving money over spending it on unnecessary things. If you do this, you will be more likely to see positive changes in your finances. Number 3, always think big. Tesla would not have rocked the vehicle business if Elon Musk had not dreamed big. Billionaires have a tendency to think big. They are always striving for the seemingly impossible. By thinking big and actually performing the impossible, we challenge our bodies and minds to break free from the prison of mediocrity and strive for greatness. If you have a business idea that only serves a small portion of a town, why not plan on expanding your services to every other community on the planet? Number 4, believe in your abilities. Rich people are different from everyone else in one strange way. They have complete faith in their skills. When you firmly believe in something, persuading others to do the same is simple. What would Microsoft look like now if the original set of employees had no reason to believe in Bill Gates' vision? Gates not only believed in the power of his idea, but also his ability to turn it into a billion-dollar enterprise. Number 5, forget about the past. The past is nothing more than an opportunity to learn from and reflect on past actions and mistakes in order to prevent repeating them in the future. As a result, you should quit worrying about the past because you can't reverse what happened. Whatever happened in the past, you should learn from it and move on. Number 6, focus on the future. Billionaires are less concerned with their past and more concerned with what the future holds. The wealthy understand that the future belongs to those who begin to plan for it today. Don't be fooled into thinking that the future will take care of itself. It will, but you won't be a part of it. Instead, make plans for your future and your finances. If you want your future to reflect financial success and prosperity, now is the time to invest or start that business you've always wanted to start. There's never a better time to begin than right now. There's no better time than now to start chasing your dreams. Number 7, develop a learning mindset. How can you expect to improve if you're not continually willing to learn? Some individuals mistakenly believe that education ends when they graduate from high school or college, but the wealthy and famous believe that learning is a lifelong experience. It is vital to constantly learn new things and make modifications. Even if you don't have the time to read as many books as Warren Buffett, the internet provides an endless source of articles and essays. Learn about finances, the stock market, the foreign exchange market, and, among other things, how economies affect both small and large enterprises. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 8, push yourself. It may be difficult to hear, but you must move outside of your comfort zone in order to create a rich mind. Your comfort zone is where you feel safe and in control, with little need for change or progress. When self-improvement is lacking, there's less need for improvement, and you are more likely to face financial and personal stagnation. Start doing tasks that test your talents and abilities to avoid being too comfortable in your comfort zone. This will not only help you understand your prior limitations, but it will also help you understand your strengths and weaknesses and how to effectively handle them. Stepping outside of your comfort zone can help you accomplish things you never believed possible. And because it feels so darn good, your confidence is more likely to soar. Number 9, always believe you can. This is a simple but effective strategy for cultivating a wealthy attitude. When you believe in yourself, you see yourself as a capable person who can do anything they set their minds to. Do you want to start a company that helps millions of people all over the world? Do you think you can? You're more likely to create that company if you do. Instead of considering all the reasons why this company will fail, consider all the ways it will succeed. Number 10, visualize your success. It is critical that you visualize yourself achieving this goal since it will help you put everything into perspective. If you can't see yourself achieving your goals, it's likely that you don't fully believe in your success story. If you are successful, you will have a better life, a happy family, a safe future, and a good chance of being able to retire early. However, by picturing yourself, you're imagining a version of yourself that you'd like to be in a few years. If this image of yourself means a lot to you, everything you do, whether you know it or not, will be geared toward making it happen. Number 11, adopt a frugal lifestyle. You cannot become wealthy by squandering your money. Wealthy people are distinguished by their understanding and treatment of money. Would you buy a new automobile or plan a year-long trip if you won $1 million? Consider what the affluent would do in this situation. Would they make unending purchases or invest in valuable ventures? Number 12, develop the urge to always learn something new. It is critical to foster a natural drive to learn new things as well as make a conscious effort to do so every day. When you educate your mind to always desire to study, it becomes a sort of impulsive action that you no longer have to push yourself to do. And before you know it, it grows into a habit that you just can't break out of, and it's a really fantastic habit to have. Number 13, associate yourself with successful people. Did you know that the majority of successful people learn by observing and observing others? If you hang out with the rich people all the time and drink with successful people, your chances of becoming rich go up dramatically. Take note of how people behave and react in different situations. You'll quickly learn about the most important parts of their lives and how you can use these parts in your own life and finances. Number 14, understand that success doesn't happen overnight. You will not become a millionaire overnight unless you win the lottery or discover that your maternal great-grandmother left you a fortune. Why don't you channel all of your wishful thinking into really creating your riches, regardless of how long it takes? Number 15, understand your thought process. Your way of thinking shows where you are mentally, which affects whether or not you will make money or stay the same. If you spend all of your free time thinking about unproductive things, it's inevitable that much of what you do will be unproductive. It's hardly rocket science. Instead, use your time productively by reading a book, watching a documentary, or learning about your money. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.